your girl Candace, and I am back with another video. I know your girl has been missing from YouTube for quite some time, but I had some technical difficulties with YouTube, but we back on it, okay? It's finally time for my first holiday themed video here of 2022, and if you celebrate Valentine's Day, then you know that it's just right around the corner, and I just wanted to share a quick little cute video that's very creative when it comes to taking pictures and having holiday Valentine's Day themed photos. Take it for someone who takes pictures all the time, especially for social media. It can get expensive to try and hire a photographer or to rent out a studio to take pictures or just get professional pictures in general. So I thought it would be fun, creative, and cheap to have like a mini photo shoot at home. It's honestly so easy, it's cheap, and it comes out really cute. So I thought I would share that with you guys along with a couple of other Valentine's videos that I have coming up this week. So I hope you guys enjoy them, and let's get straight into the video. For this, you just need some heart-shaped balloons. I got these from my local craft store for $1.99 for a pack of 8 of them. I got pink and red, and then you just need a backdrop. I got this backdrop for 20 bucks off of Amazon, and I built this stand, but you could use a regular wall in your house, or you can get the same backdrop and put it on a curtain rod. Now these are actually really hard to blow up, so don't be like me, do not blow these up with your mouth. I used a machine to blow these up, or a hand pump will work as well. I will say these balloons are really hard to tie. I am bleeding. I'm legit bleeding on both nails trying to tie this balloon. I don't know. We have all these balloons. One of them failed, but that's okay. Yeah, so I will say that I struggled a bit to tie these balloons, probably because of the shape, but it's okay. They still came out really cute. The first way to style this is to basically just throw all the balloons on the ground and kind of play around in them, throw them in the air, stand in them, sit down in them is one way. And then the second way is where you can take a small bit of tape, put it on the back of the balloon, and design it on the wall any way that you want. And I will show you that I put it on this backdrop in like a cute little half circular motion, stood around it, took some pictures, and they turned out really cute. I told y'all it was like super easy, super simple, super cute, right? I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys give this cute little DIY a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. That is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe, stick around for a while because I'd love to have you, and there's lots more cute, fun videos to come. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.
It'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah.